Okay, I'll do a quick review on Save-A-Lot's Portman's real bacon bits. Select Portman select real bacon bits. If I can get it out. It says 100% real bacon. You get 2.5 ounces per little bag of them. It's got a little Ziploc thing here where you can reseal it whenever to keep whatever, keep it in what you don't use. Keep it in the bag. It's great to put on salads, pizzas, baked potatoes, all kinds of different things. Save-A-Lot has a 100% guarantee on their products. If you're not happy with their products, you can take it back to the store with a receipt and get your money back. We do a lot of shopping at Save-A-Lot because there's a Save-A-Lot pretty close there to the house. You get serving size is 1 tablespoon. Serving big container is around 10. Teddy! Hush! Hush! Sorry about that, I got Tomcat wanting to go outside. It's snowing pretty hard. I know if I let him out, he's going to want to come right back in, so I'm not going to bother to let him out of the house. You get 30 calories per serving, 20 calories from fat, 2 grams of total fat, 1 gram saturated fat, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 100 milligrams sodium, and 3 grams of protein. That's a pretty good little product. We've been buying it and using it quite a bit with here at the house with different things. Pizzas, and I like you putting it on baked potatoes a lot. And salad, stuff like that. It's with it being a Save-A-Lot product, it's gonna be a store brand product to be a little bit cheaper than what you would pay for. And with name brand product, real bacon bits. This is the Save-A-Lot's Portman's Select Real Bacon Bits that you can buy at the nearest Save-A-Lot to your house.